How to share internet from a laptop to a router. This is a laptop and a router. Internet port. On other routers, there is a one port. You can use any home router from any brand. You use an Ethernet cable to connect the two devices together. Ethernet cable. Laptop. Router. Internet port. On the router, you set it up as follows. Internet OK. You set the router to operate in dynamic IP address mode. Internet settings or WAN settings. DHCP mode. Laptop assigns an IP address on the router's external interface. This is the IP address assigned from the laptop. Internet OK. On the laptop, you follow these steps. Go to Network Connections. Search box. ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl. Network Connections. Ethernet. Wi-Fi. Right-click on the Wi-Fi icon. Properties. Sharing. Share your internet connection. Internet connection sharing. Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. The above is how to share internet from a laptop to a router. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.